Hello guys, in this video I will try just to explain why to trade penny stocks. Now in general, when we say penny stocks, we try to speak about stocks under $5. Okay? Now penny stocks, the people they trade is just because they go fast. This is why they go fast. Now they go faster than normal stocks, so we can say they go faster than other stocks. For example, if a stock it is $10, is a $1, okay, it goes to, in the end of the day, $1 to $1.25. So although you see 25 cents is just little, but the problem is that it is 25% profit if you get it. Now let's say you buy $1,000. You buy 1,000 shares. How much you make? You are making $250. Okay? From 1,000, which is so big. What if you put $10,000? This is why the people are crazy when they are buying penny stocks. Someone with 40,000, 50,000, 70,000, and they go to stocks that are so volatile in order to make money. If they succeed, they can make a lot of money. So 10,000, you are getting $2,500. Let's say in a day. It could be in minutes. Okay? The more you buy, and if you succeed, the more you make, and it is too much money. Compared, for example, $10,000, you buy a stock that it is $100. You buy 100 shares. How much you make? You make $100. So you see why people are going to most risky stocks, which are penny stocks. So there is a reason for that. And people are greedy. It means they want more for their money. So if you want more for your money, it means you are going to do risky trades. It means you risk more. There is no a safe trade where you want no much risk and you want big money. This is in the market. It can be done, but not the way the people talk and trade penny stocks. Okay? So from this comparison between a normal stock, it's $100, and it goes $1, you are going to make only $100 a day. But if this $10,000, you buy a stock that it is $1, it goes 25 cents, you will be making $2,500 a day. Okay? But understand, it can go down also, and you lose a lot of money. So you should be okay with the wing risk. Okay? Now, this idea of percentage, how the stock moves, it is not only in penny stocks. There are some stocks that are trading, and they are very, very powerful. Okay? So, for example, it is not a penny stock, but you can make the same money with not penny stocks. Let's say the stock is $20, it goes to $25 a day. It happens. Or a stock, it is 100, it goes to 125. It happens. So I will be making the same $2,500 if you are going to buy the same amount of money. So it happens. So it's not only penny stocks, you can even find normal stocks that can do the same as penny stocks, because there is a momentum and they go so high and high. Now, most of the people who go to penny stocks, most of them are people who don't have money. Okay? Who don't have money. It means most of the people, if you have only 5K in your account, you are not going to buy Google or to buy Amazon. You can't do that because you will not make any money. So that's why you go with a small, because you are obliged, not because you like it. You are obliged because there is no way to make money if you go with bigger stocks. But some people, they like risk, and that's why they go to penny stocks. Okay? Now, some they can even go to what we call the OTC, over the counter. And this kind of exchange, the OT exchange, is wilder than the normal exchange, because penny stocks that are in the stock market, the regular ones like the exchange, like Nasdaq or New York Exchange or American Exchange, you know these companies, you can check them, they file, you know they exist. But in the OTC, it's very, very wild, and it is very, very dangerous. That's why some people, they go to these ones and they try to buy the very, very small, like 0.0012, for example. They go to less than a cent of stocks, because any movement in these stocks, they can make a lot of money, but understand that they can lose a lot of money. So there is a bigger risk when you go to this OTC exchange. And I see a lot of people going there because they want, it's like gambling, they want the most for their money. But if they lose money, they don't care, because they like it. They like this risk. And it's like those who are gambling, they always like risk and to put more money. Sometimes they make it, sometimes they miss it, and greed has no end. But for me, if I want to do penny stock, I always stay with exchanges. I don't go to the OTC because it is so dangerous. You find the stock, it is $20. You don't know this company. Tomorrow you can find it with $1. Okay, you lose all your money, and there is nothing. But in the penny stocks, in the exchanges, at least they don't go so wild like the OTC is going. Okay, so if you are going to trade penny stocks, understand that there is a risk. As you might think that the stock goes 25%, it can go 25% also down. So you can lose 25% or 50%, depending on it. So you should be very, very focused on the risk that you should do, and don't give too much to these kind of stocks because you can lose all your money or most of it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you have more information or you have please comment on the comment section here, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.